Qeema Paratha. Let's make it. Bismillah. First we will make a dough for paratha. This basic dough recipe is good for making roti, paratha or puri. 4 cups of whole wheat flour. You can use all-purpose flour. 2 cups of water. 1 teaspoon of salt if you like. I am not adding any salt. You can make a dough by hands or an electric mixer. Knead very well until no longer sticky. You may need additional water or flour while making dough. Rest the dough half hour in refrigerator and follow the instructions. For Qeema filling, 2 cups of ground meat, beef, chicken, lamb or goat. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon minced garlic and ginger, half cup of water. Mix and cook until all the water dries out. Let it cool down completely. Now add these ingredients to cooked ground meat. 1 medium-sized chopped onions, few chopped green chilies, handful of chopped cilantro, handful of chopped mint leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon crushed coriander seeds. Roll the golf ball size dough by dusting some flour. Spread the Qeema mixture. You can always adjust the salt and spices according to your taste. Bring all the corners to middle and pinch it together to close the edges. Dust with flour and roll it into a thin flat disc. If you like this recipe, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe for upcoming recipes. Toast it right away by adding 1 teaspoon of butter or ghee, or place it on butter paper or cling wrap for freezing and continue making more Qeema Paratha. Enjoy with pickles, chutney, or yogurt. Thanks for watching.